What's happening, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, and it's time to talk about SHIB. This morning we talked about October 6th, Shiba Eternity. Of course, things from a technical standpoint look really good in terms of the RSI. We just recently moved ahead of the 200-day moving average as well. I'll give you another good catalyst or a good indicator that shows us that we're kind of trending in the right direction here, and that is following the smart money. Looking at whale activity. Now, over the last couple of weeks, once we got a Shiba Eternity date that has since been moved from the 1st of October to now the 6th, that is officially called download day, we have seen whales start coming into Shiba Inu, right? Slowly but surely. Now, this whale is a top 100 Ethereum whale, the 98th biggest ETH whale, has just added 300 billion Shiba Inu, and coupled with this, we've seen the SHIB trading volume spike 52%. So the overall crypto market's pretty flat across the board. In fact, most of the top projects are actually down a little bit, down about 1-2%. SHIB is actually up a little bit here today, 1 or 2%, which again, I think we're gearing up for October. Of course, finally we get out of September, which is always a brutal month for all markets historically, right? Bitcoin, crypto in general, the stock market. We finally get out of September and we head into a new month. Now, last year, October was the month for Shiba Inu. So many things happened, right? We were going up drastically. We got listed on Coinbase. The overall crypto market was just absolutely booming. Will we see that kind of price action this year in 2022? Probably not. Let's be honest. Let's be real with ourselves. It's different. Right, we have a lot of things working against us from a macroeconomic standpoint, like the war, inflation. You know the drill. We've talked about it before. But could we see a 30, 40, 50% spike in the price of Shiba Inu? I don't know for sure. I'm not a financial advisor, of course, but it could happen. I mean, look what happened back in August 14th, out of nowhere. SHIB almost got back up into the twos, really on the heels of no new information. It was just strictly by whales coming in, and then retail demand kind of spiked a little bit behind it. Now we actually have something tangible. We actually have something that's real with Shiba Eternity here in October. Here's another good thing. We don't have an interest rate hike in October. That's solid, right? We won't get another meeting in that regard, which they're going to hike rates again. What it's going to be, we don't know. That'll come in November. Now, we will get CPI data in October, especially if we get some good news there. We could definitely see a little bit of a rally in the crypto market. And here's the thing with Shiba Inu. It's very volatile both ways, both to the downside and to the upside. Meaning if we get a spike in the overall crypto market, SHIB usually outpaces the big dogs like Ethereum and Bitcoin and Cardano. Usually that volatility helps us when we go green. Right? So keep that in mind. We not only have Shiba Eternity sitting here looming 5 days away, but we also have Shibarium, which we don't have a date yet, but this is the time period where we should be hearing some things. We should be getting some insight and information. Going back to the information that we have related to Shibarium, they told us that first we would get Shibarium documentation. Then we'd go into beta testing. And then in Q4 of 2022, Shibarium should be live sometime in Q4. So keep that in mind as well. We have some opportunities here to perform really well. And I'll end the video with this. This is something I've been mentioning a couple different times in some past videos. I think a win by the end of the year for Shiba Inu in terms of price point, I think a win would be if we ended somewhere in the twos. If we ended somewhere in the 4020 range or a little bit above it, heading into 2023, I think that would be a win. And I know some people down there will write in the comments, no, that's not a win. That's terrible. That's not even close to the all-time high. You got to realize the market that we're in. If we can spike a little bit here over the next couple months, I'd be happy with it. Let me know what you think down below. Where do you want to see SHIB by the end of the year? Want to get your thoughts down below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Appreciate you stopping by, and we'll see you in the next video.